Mathematics Class 8th Understanding Quadrilaterals Chapter 3rd Exercise 3.2 Question number 6th A part. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? B part. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Let's focus our attention on A part. It says, what is the minimum interior angle? That is, we have to find minimum interior angle that is possible in case of a regular polygon. Important thing to note over here is this, regular polygon. It is not asking for any common polygon but a regular polygon. With this thing, a thought strikes in our mind that a polygon which has all its angles equal to each other and all its sides equal to each other. But here is a problem. There are many regular polygons. Which regular polygon we need to consider? Well, we can sort out our problem if we consider two examples. Let's consider the smallest regular polygon, that is an equilateral triangle having three sides and all its internal angle as equal to 60 degrees. Also, immediate next regular polygon having four equal sides is our square that we have represented here. Now, using these two regular polygons, we can find out that which regular polygon will give us minimum interior angle. If you know, square has its internal angle as equal to 90 degrees. That is, it is more than this 60 degrees. That means if we will take next regular polygon, that will be regular pentagon, that will have internal angle more than 90 degrees. It means as we move forward by increasing number of sides in case of regular polygons, our internal angle increases because it's ultimately leading to a circle, and we know circle do not have an internal angle. That is, it is almost equal to 180 degrees. Henceforth, our required regular polygon that will give us minimum interior angle is equilateral triangle. And we know very well that equilateral triangle has its internal angle as equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, we can write our reason as follows. The equilateral triangle, being a regular polygon of three sides, has the least measure of an interior angle which is equal to 60 degrees. With this, our A part is solved because we do not consider this square. We considered equilateral triangle. Now let's focus on B part. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Again, we are talking about regular polygon. Again, we will use the similar approach in order to sort out a required regular polygon. We considered a square and an equilateral triangle. This time we have to focus our attention on exterior angle. So you know very well, this is the exterior angle in case of a square. This is exterior angle in case of an equilateral triangle, because we consider the deviation that a regular polygon took from its original path. For an instance, the regular path was like this, but it deviated to this direction. So the deviation is of this angle, therefore 90 degrees in case of square. Also, in case of equilateral triangle, the original path was like this, but it deviated from its path like this at an angle of 120 degrees. And how we can find 120 degree mathematically? We know internal angle is 60 degrees, that is shown over here, and angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So if we subtract 60 degrees from 180 degrees, we get 120 degrees. Clearly, if you observe, 120 is greater than 90 degrees, so we will not consider this regular polygon again. Also, as we move towards increased number of sides, that is almost approaching to a circle, because circle is also a regular polygon having infinite number of sides. The external angle is almost equal to, not exactly 0, but it will be less in each regular polygon as we increase number of sides. Therefore, it says we have to find maximum exterior angle. Therefore, again our regular polygon will be equilateral triangle, and we have found its external angle as equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, for the reason part, we wrote by A, that is from figure A, we can see that the greatest exterior angle is 120 degrees that we have shown in this figure. The important points in this question were regular polygon, and in the A part we need to find minimum interior angle that we found as 60 degrees, and in B part we had to find maximum exterior angle that we found as 120 degrees. With this, our last question, question number 6 of Understanding Quadrilaterals, Mathematics Class 8th, Chapter 3rd, Exercise 3.2 has been solved.